Nisha Nisa. I am studying in 7th standard. Honorable Principal, respected teachers and all my dear lovely friends. Today I am honored to speak about Dr. B. Ambedkar and his extraordinary contributions to the framing and allocation of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was lovingly known as Baba Sahib, was one of the most brilliant minds of modern India. He was born in 1891. He faces several social discrimination through hard work and dedication. He rose to become a world-famous scholar, economist, jurist, and social reformer. His life itself is an inspiration, proving that determination can overcome every barrier. When India achieved independence, our leader faced a huge challenge to create a constitution that would reflect the hopes and dreams of the diverse nation. This guide to historic task, Dr. B. Ambedkar chosen as the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituency Assembly. This shows the trust of the nation had in his knowledge, vision and deep understanding of society. Ambedkar studied constitutions of more than 60 countries. Based on this vast knowledge, he helped India to build a constitution that would be modern, democratic and forward-looking. Under his leadership, the constitution was drafted in a way that allocated of powers, responsibilities and rights fairly among all citizens and institutions. One of his greatest contributions was introduction of fundamental rights. Ambedkar strongly believed that every individual must have the right that cannot be taken away. Because of his efforts, we enjoy the right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedy. He called it the Article 32, the heart and soul of the Constitution, because it allows citizens to directly approach in Supreme Court to protect their rights. He also played a major role in shaping the directive principles of state policy, which guide future governments to work for social and economic justice. These principles aim to create a society where there is no poverty, no inequality and no discrimination. Another important area where Ambedkar contributed was the allocation of powers between the union and the states. He ensured a balanced federal system that keeps India united and allows each state to function according to its needs. This structure has helped India remain strong and stable even after the 75 years of independence. He helped India. He believed deeply in the values of their liberty, equality, and fraternity. These values are drawn from his study of world philosophies became the foundation of our constitution. When after the constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949, Dr. B. Ambedkar remained committed as building an inclusion India. He warned as constitutional morality is not a natural sentiment. It has to be cultivated. In reminding each citizen to respect the law, the right of others and the spirit of democracy. In conclusion, Dr. B. Ambedkar was not just an architect of Indian Constitution, he was architect of modern India. His work continues to protect our